So then I usually stop like right here because you can combine this side to this side. So I always leave the center part because you're gonna create another foundation there because that's where it bags. Yes.
How many rows are you doing? 2?
This is the third.
Oh, this is the third.
Yes, ma'am. She has so much hair. So the first row I did a single weft. The second row I did a double weft. And so the third weft I'll do another single. Because we carry weight distribution mainly in the middle of our head. My best friend's son saw my live and he was like, Mommy, your best friend's famous.
Oh,
But he didn't realize that he was watching my live.
And then you might